Welcome to my corner of creative chaos, where palette knives and colors collide. And occasionally, so do my ideas. Today we're diving into a moody skyscape, a stormy dance of colors inspired by nature. And as it turns out, by baking. Yeah, baking. Well, why not? Instead of flour, sugar and eggs, we've got pinks, caramels, just like a pinch of mustard. Stick around and I'll show you how this recipe for chaos unfolds on the canvas. Here's a spoiler though, it gets messy, but that's half the fun. Take pink, for instance, a color as delicate as a souffle, but capable of drama when paired with its fiery cousin, red. Then there's caramel, warm and inviting, like a drizzle of syrup on a rainy day, and vanilla for a touch of sweetness. But be careful, too much and things start looking like a dessert, not a stormy sky. Throw in mustard, because, well, even chaos needs seasoning. And let's not forget the darker shades. Purple, brooding and mysterious. Like a secret ingredient in a family recipe no one's allowed to talk about. Blue is for frosting that smooths it all out, while brown and green ground everything. Your visual crust, if you will. Together, these colors create a wild skyscape. It looks like Mother Nature herself threw a tantrum in the kitchen. Oh, of course, no recipe is complete without a surprise ingredient. That's why, towards the end, I added a small strip of land. Just a bit of earth beneath the sky. It's the unexpected pinch of salt in a sweet dish, the balance that keeps the chaos from tipping over the edge. It's also my way of saying, here's some land, nowhere to hide. Just brace yourself for the storm. And there it is, a wild recipe for a wild sky. Equal parts drama, beauty, and unpredictability. Just like life itself. The secret? Don't overmix. Let the colors fight it out on the canvas. After all, some of the best flavors and paintings come from a little chaos. Thanks for watching. If this inspired you to paint or bake, just remember, it's all about enjoying the process. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got some imaginary cakes to frost and some very real palette knives to clean.